We're going to take a look at some of the settings, and we've already looked at them already, so I'm going to kind of put activity 2.4, 2.5, and on into the same piece. If we if we look at dynamic update configuration, if we right click on server 1, and we go to, whoops, wrong one, business.local, there it is. Go to properties. We have dynamic updates turned on to secure. If you have cell phones and things like that, and you want them to register in DNS, well, then you might want to turn it off. That just allows DNS updates by insecure, untrusted sources. Well, phones and tablets and things can't be part of the domain. So that's something you could turn on or off. That's up to you. This also has a tab that says name servers. Well, there is our name server, 10.10.1.10. That is our DNS server. Forwarders we looked at just a little bit before. We're going to get out of here. Right click on server 1. Go to properties. It's not uncommon to have forwarders so that your DNS server doesn't have to do so much work. These are a couple of public DNS servers. There's more. Here's the root thing. Root hints are used if no forwarders are available. Also, they're used if these guys don't come up with an answer. These are the root DNS servers, that if all else fails, you get information from them. Now, the next thing we're going to do is test DNS, which we've already done. We've pinged and we've NS looked up, and we've done all that. So we're just going to do one that we didn't do, which is ipconfig, whoopsie, pconfig, display DNS. There. This displays all of our cached records. So when your computer is doing a lookup, like you're pinging something or whatever, it is automatically stored in your memory cache. Time to live, I think that's 355 seconds. I'm not sure. That'd be another good one for you to look up. They get thrown away after a certain amount of time. So there's cache on your local computer. There's cache on the DNS server. So if it's thrown away here, it may be on the DNS server. If it's thrown away on the DNS server, then it has to be sent all the way through the chain of command. Some of these have to do with how Active Directory works, like Kerberos is our security provider. Well, I think I've covered everything that's in part 2 of our Windows Server setup. With this information, you could set up your own virtual network, for cybersecurity. You could set up your own physical network. When you set up a physical network, it's no different, except you're setting it up on physical devices. Regardless, I'm signing out for today.